Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 8 of the chapter Algebra. In this part 8, we will solve questions from the exercise 11.5. 11.5 questions. Coming to the question number 1. In the question number 1, state which of the following are equations with a variable. Give reason for your answer. Identify the variable from the equation with a variable. Children, we have already practiced this sort of things in earlier previous session. You know, A is an equation with the variable x, B is not an equation, C is numerical equation, it is numerical equation as it has no variable. D is also numerical equation. E is an equation with the variable x. F is an equation with the variable x. So, coming to the question number 1, sub questions G is not an equation, though there is variable m, but the equality is not there. We have got less than the symbol. H is an equation with the variable n. I is not an equation, it is numerical equation. It is numerical equation, not an algebraic equation. J is an equation with the variable p. K is an equation with the variable y, and L, the subquestion L, is not an equation because it is less than symbol. That relation is there, not the equality relation. Coming to the subquestions M, it is not an equation because it is greater than relation type, not equality. And subquestion N, it is also not an algebraic equation, it is rather numerical equation. Then coming to the subquestion O, it is an equation with the variable x. You write it properly, these subquestions one after the other in your notebook. Then coming to the main question 2 in this exercise 11.5, we are given a table. Complete the entries in the third column of the table with the yes or no. For the equation 10y equals to 80, y equals to 10. So, if I substitute in the equation 10y equals to 80 the value of y equals to 10, then left hand side becomes 10 into 10, which is 100, where not equals to the 80 in the right hand side. Thus, y is equals to 10 is not the solution, So, this is how we check, but we are not asked to do this all work. Instead, we are asked to do it in the background, but answer with the word yes or no, whether that equation gets satisfied by this variable value y as 10 or not? So I have to say it is no. But when y equals to 8, 10 8s are 80, 80 equals to 80. So for this it is yes. Next, 10 y equals to 80 will not be get satisfied with the value y equals to 5. 10 5s are 50, 50 not equals to 80, so no. 4l equals to 20, is l equals to 20? No. Is l equals to 80? Again no. Is l equals to 5? Yes. So 4 5 is 20 equals to 20, so it is yes. B plus 5 equals to 9, is b equals to 5? No. Is b equals to 9? No. Is b equals to 4? Yes. So 4 plus 5 equals to 9, that's why. In h minus 8 equals to 5, is h equals to 13? 13 minus 8? Yes, it is equals to 5. But h equals to 8, 8 minus 8 becomes 0, 0 not equals to 5? No. H equals to 0 makes 0 minus 8 becomes minus 8 not equals to 5? It is no. P plus 3 equals to 1, is p equals to 3? It is no. Why? Because 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 not equal to 1. P equals to 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, it is not equals to 1. P equals to 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 equals to 1, no. P equals to minus 1, minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2 not equals to 1, so no. Is p equals to minus 2, minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1 equals to plus 1, yes. So this is how we have asked to give the complete columns in third. Now coming to the main question number 3 in the exercise 11.5, we are given 6 sub questions from A to F. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. Here 10, 5, 12, 15. Out of them, which is the solution of this? 5m equals to 60. So I straight away say m equals to 60 by 5, that means dividing on both sides by 5, I will get 5m by 5 means 5m will be there, 12, 60 by 5 is 12, so 12 is the solution. So I will pick it up 12. Show that other values do not satisfy the equation. Now how to show that? That is important. In the earlier what I solved here, this entire working steps you have to do. This is called showing. Taking LHS separately, substituting the value and checking whether left hand side value equals to right hand side value. It will be not, then we say that value of the variable is not the solution. So I am doing it for the first one. In 5m equals to 60, if m equals to 10, left hand side, which is 5m, where 5 into 10 gives 50, this is not equals to right hand side, which is 60. Right hand side we have got 60, it is not equals to 60, therefore m equals to 10 is not satisfying. 5m equals to 60. So this is how we show. This is showing, very important. How to show, you should learn it. So this entire work is I am giving as homework. I will just show you which is the right answer. N plus 12 equals to 20, obviously 8 plus 12 equals to 20. P minus 5 equals to 5, obviously P should be 10, 10 minus 5 equals to 5, then only. Q by 2 equals to 7, then Q must be 14. R minus 4 equals to 0, that means R must be 4. X plus 4 equals to 2, then X must be minus 2. So these are the solutions, the rest of them are not solutions. You have to show why they are not solutions, like this, by writing. Okay. Now coming to the main question number 4. In main question number 4, there are sub questions. Sub question A to D, we will solve one by one. In sub question A, complete the table and by inspection of the table, find the solution to the equation m plus 10 equals to 16. If m is 1, m plus 10 becomes 11, m plus 10 if m equals to 2 becomes 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here right hand side 16, that means only m equals to 6 satisfies this equation. Therefore, m equals to 6 is the solution. It is the solution of the equation m plus 10 equals to 16. This is how we do. In the sub question B, complete the table and by inspection of the table, find the solution to the equation 5t equals to 35. If t equals to 3, 5t becomes 5 3s are 15, 4 3s 20, 5 5 is 25, 6 5 is 30, 7 5 is 35, 8 5 is 40, 9 5 is 45, 10 5 is 50, 11 5 is 55, and so on. You can do it, but out of them here right hand side 35 we got when t equals to 7 giving you 5t as 35, then left hand side value equals to right hand side value. Therefore, we say t equals to 7 is the solution to the equation phi t equals to 35. Next, coming to the question number C. Complete the table and find the solution of the equation z upon 3 equals to 4 using the table. If z is 8, z by 3 becomes 2 integer 2 by 3. If z is 9, z by 3 becomes 3. If z is 10, z by 3 becomes 3 integer 1 by 3. Next, when z is 11, it becomes 3 integer 2 by 3. When z is 12, 12 by 3 becomes 4. 13 by 3 becomes 13 integer 1 by 3. 14, 4 integer 2 by 3. 15, 5. 16, 5 integer 1 by 3. We can write, but here in the equation right hand side is 4. That means we got at z equals to 12 only the left hand side value becoming 4. Therefore, we say z equals to 12 is the solution to the equation z upon 3 equals to 4. So, this is how we solve. Children, the sub question D I am giving as a homework for you. Complete the table and find the solution of the equation m minus 7 equals to 3. So, this is homework for you. Okay. Next, there is a main question number 5, but it is all riddles. Solve the following riddles. You may yourself construct such riddles. First riddle, go around a square counting every corner thrice and no more. Add and count to me to get exactly 34. See children, by watching this sort of sentences, you are asked to say, who am I? If you want to say who am I in this, you need to identify first equation. So, go around a square. Going around a square is perimeter. Counting every corner, that means taking every corner. Thrice and no more, That means you are going for 3 times. Add the count to me. Add the count to me to get exactly 34. So, exactly 34 you are getting, and here you are going around the square. Here counting every corner thrice. In a square we have got 4 corners. So, 4 corners taken for thrice is nothing but 12, and this 12 is added to me, means that number, okay, number itself. So, let that number is x. So, 12 plus x equals to 34. To get exactly 34 means equal to 34, therefore, x equals to 34 minus 12, it implies 22. So, the value of x is 22, that value of the number is 22. Here you can see explanation, there are 4 corners in a square, thrice the number of corners in the square will be 12. When 12 is added to the number, it becomes 34. That means the number will be the difference of 34 and 12, that is 34 minus 12 is 22. Now, riddle 2, for each day of the week make an up count from me. If you make no mistake, you will get 23. So, you got already 23, let us say. We will go back. The result was 23 when the old number was up counted on, let us say, Sunday. That means it must be 22 when it was up counted on Saturday. That means 21 when the old number was up counted on Friday, 20 when the old number was up counted on Thursday, and 19 when the old number was up counted on Wednesday, 18 when the old number was up counted on Tuesday, and 17 when the old number was up counted on Monday. Thus, finally, when you take away all these numbers, the number is supposed to be 16 in the beginning. So, in short, I can say there are 7 days, that means 7 up counts have been done from the original number. That means that the original number is x, and to that I have already added 7, got 23. If I want to correct it, I will remove it. So, 23 minus 7 gives you 16, which is the original number. So, its logic is this, and I explained you in short. Now, riddle number 3 is, I am a special number, take away from me 6, a whole cricket team, that is 11 members will come. You will still be able to fix. So, what is this number? So, let us consider t minus 6 will give you 11, therefore, t will be 17. So, you know how to solve it, t equals to 17 becomes the number. Then coming to the next riddle number 4, tell me who I am, I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back if you take me out of 22. So, 22, from that if you take me away, I will get again back. That means 22 minus x equals to x, which means 22, this minus x, that means adding on both sides, if I do by x, it becomes x plus x, that is twice x equals to 22, therefore, x equals to 11. 11 is the number, when taken away from 22 gives you 11 again. So, the number is 11. With this, I have completed all the questions of exercise 11.5 and as well as this chapter algebra. Students, wishing you good luck. Next, ratios and proportions chapter will be dealt in our next section onwards by our Kiran Kumar sir. Till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.